Hi, I'm Kristina Zanic from Kristina Zanic Design Consultants.
I'm Saad Moswes from Bond Interiors.
And this is the second time we're collaborating together at Index. So the concept this year is to create this amazing experience space that really brought in this sort of serene moment. So we call our concept the Serenity Pool. It's all about having this wellness experience and also creating this really nice feeling where you're actually engulfed in fabric and there's sort of special filters of light coming into this space.
It's an oval structure that involves hanging 3,000 different pieces of fabrics with different colors.
We also wanted our concept to focus on well-being. We needed places to be able to bring back some sort of calm into our lives.
The design behind Serenity Pool was inspired by the wondrous experience of being underwater and seeing the rays of light refracting through the water and creating different shades of colors. So we wanted to create an emotional experience that take you for a brief moment into a calm cocoon inside of this exhibition. Our choice of material was so obvious because we needed a soft material that can be semi-transparent and you can interact with. So fabric was our main option.
So basically we didn't only look at the visual aspect of the design, but also at the tactile effect, the tactile aspect of it, and the softness that we wanted to be there for this installation. Our design is very simple and it is made of many layers. These layers are based on a parametric design that we came up with.
The rug plays a really important role in the installation as it really defines the space but also immerses you into the color. We have created together with BSH a wonderful bespoke rug design that really merges from purple, magenta into the teal shades that then washes up on the fabrics itself.
So lighting plays a very important role in the design, and we work with Nathan Savage lighting design. We have this ring pendant light that is located in the center of the installations, and we want the visitors to actually experience lighting that comes from the above, so then they can feel the serenity and a sense of calm.
Index has always been the premier exhibition for the industry.
And actually we're really looking forward to meeting people face to face, seeing the sort of materials that are new out there, the new technologies, and I think this is one of the key things that really makes this industry thrive. It's really that connection with the people. It's time that we can do that even more so this year.
The exhibitions are interesting, and especially the Index. It's an evolving industry. There is always something new in the market, new material, new technology.
And actually as designers, we really crave that. I think it's something that we need to also be able to connect to the people who are actually selling these new products. And what's really interesting is to see who's going to be there, what's around, and how can we actually use this on our projects. So.